Hello and welcome to the sixth lecture. Friends, in the previous lecture, we saw how to draw bullish ABCD pattern and bearish ABCD pattern. Today we will see the alternate ABCD patterns, but before that, we need to learn about the pattern failure and the invalid pattern. Whenever, whether it is a 4-point or 5-point pattern, if the stock does not reverses from PRZ and continues its trend in the same direction, it is known as pattern failure. That PRZ is a complete fail because the stock has not reversed from this ABCD. From the first D point, if it has not reversed, from the first PRZ, if it has not reversed, and the stock continues to fall down, then this will come into the game. 1.272 AB is equal to CD. Our new PRZ would be 1.272 AB is equal to CD pattern. If if it does not reverses from 1.272 AB is equal to CD also, both these patterns fail, then comes this 1.618 AB is equal to CD pattern. So these two patterns basically come into the play when AB is equal to CD pattern is failed. The stock is not reversing and moving up from here. Then there is a probability that the stock will reverse from 1.272 AB is equal to CD or 1.618 AB is equal to CD. We simply need to delete this AB is equal to CD pattern, and from our Excel sheet, which has given us our D point, this is our 1.272 AB is equal to CD PRZ. We need to put these values in our D point. And similarly, we need to find out our target and stop loss as we did for the AB is equal to CD pattern. Rest all it will be same. The same concept is for the bearish ABCD. Now if the stock keeps moving up and does not reverses from this AB is equal to CD pattern PRZ, then it will reverse. There is a probability it will reverse from 1.272 AB is equal to CD or 1.618 AB is equal to CD. Okay. Now the next important concept is the invalid pattern. The invalid pattern is the pattern when stock does not reaches PRZ and it reverses before reaching PRZ. Like this is AB and CD pattern. But if the stock reverses from in between or before reaching the PRZ, that is an invalid or void pattern. So we do not trade that pattern. We look for another script. Okay. We will look for trade acquisition in our future chapters also. For now, the ABCD pattern is complete. I hope you are able to draw successfully the ABCD pattern. Keep practicing and sending your charts in the assignment group and the student groups. More you practice, more you become perfect. From the next lecture, we will start with 5-point patterns. Till now, happy trading, folks.